Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can spawn your car in your garage on Bloxburg. So for instance, you've left it in like the middle of the street and you don't want to get it towed, or it's like bugging. And sometimes your friends drive your car and they send the car flying onto a ledge and into the ocean, and you just want your car back. So make sure you have a garage to do this. There's going to be this black line here, and you'll be able to see it for all the vehicles that you have. Select the black line and select respawn, and as you can see, my car is back. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!